Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rebuild a Briggs & Stratton carburetor. Okay, here we go. Here's the carb kit, and here are all the parts laid out. First, what you do is you clean the carburetor thoroughly inside and out with carburetor cleaner. Then I blow out all the passages with compressed air. Now we're going to reassemble it. Shut the radio off. Let's open up get the new parts out. But I recommend, if you have any pitting on the carb bowl, use a brass wire brush to clean them. And also I had some pitting here around where the bowl fits. I used the brass wire brush there too, and it cleaned all the pits. So instead of replacing the carburetor, you can do that. So let's get going with the rebuild. Okay, we're going to put the needle in with the float. That's the old pin. I only replace the needle in the seat if they're leaking, because I found some new ones that I put in have leaked. So if the old one's not leaking, I just put it back in. So we're going to press this in. Okay. Press that in until it comes out the other side. Now the kit comes with two gaskets. We're going to try this gasket first for the bowl gasket. Okay, it fits in there good all around. So we're going to put sure the bowl's nice and clean inside before you put it in. So we're going to use the gasket for the main jet. Here's the main jet, it's nice and clean. Let me just blow that one more time with the compressed air. I'm going to use compressed air to make sure all the passageways are clean. Okay, it's fully clean. Okay. We want to put the gasket on the main jet and put the bowl on. Put the main jet in here, and you don't want to make it too tight. You want to screw it in by hand first. Okay, tighten it. I'll use usually it's a 1/2 inch socket that it takes. I want to just snug it by hand. I'm going to use the ratchet. Again, we don't want to make it too tight. Okay, we want to snug it. Okay, that's good enough. And that's it. All the carburetor, all the gaskets are in. It's ready to be put back on the engine. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.